Hey, what's up guys, my name is Androp, and if you're new to this channel is about me documenting my journey as an online entrepreneur. And if you are anyhow interested in online entrepreneurship or making money online, consider subscribing to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Now in this video I wanted to talk about affiliate marketing and drop shipping basically. So if you guys have been watching my videos and if you have watched my last video, I basically said that I will be giving affiliate marketing only some more time, and if I don't get results even then I will stop affiliate marketing and get into drop shipping or Amazon FBA. So I have got my hands on Anik Singh's inbox blueprint. Now that is the holy grail of this affiliate marketing course. Now if that does not work out for me, then I am going to give up on affiliate marketing, at least for now, not forever, because once I get good at Amazon or the Shopify dropshipping, I can get back to affiliate marketing and promote a lot of different stuff from them. So day before yesterday, I implemented a strategy called evolution strategy, in which I sent traffic through Facebook ads. I sent traffic to a YouTube video or to a blog or any reputable place, and I track those people with the help of pixels, and then I retarget those people with my this ClickBank or JVZoo offer. So I have implemented that strategy and I have not got any results yet, but it takes about 3 or 4 days, so I am still waiting for its results. But I am going through the Anik Singh's affiliate that inbox blueprint course, and if that does not work, then I am going to be getting into e-commerce, basically Shopify dropshipping most probably. So now this is the last thing I'm trying, because I am fed up guys, because for the last couple of years I've been trying my best to get results, and so far I have not got much success, and I'm really fed up trying again and again the same things, and they are not giving me results. So most probably in inbox blueprint what is taught is a bit different, and I'll try my best this time. I'll just give it all in and I will not keep anything back. I will just put all the work in. I'll do all the paid traffic and all. But if it does not work this time, I'm going to give up on affiliate marketing for at least a while and focus on Shopify. So that is all what I wanted to share in this video. This is a very small video. I don't want to make it very large, and this is not by no means intended to monetize my YouTube channel or something. It was just a basic interaction with you, my followers, my fellow subscribers, and about my journey. And if in the future you are watching this video, so you guys can also watch that I had some hiccups in my journey. Now I really don't know where I will be after a month, either if I will be successful Amazon, or if I will be successful e-commerce dropshipping, or if I would be successful with email marketing or with CPA. I really don't know what I will be doing after 1 month. But what I know for sure is I will be successful by 4th of November, because that is my target. Now if you guys can see over here, I have stuck some paper. It is actually, there are check marks in that paper, goals written of mine, and I have to check those goals when I achieve them. I am already lacking behind. I am behind time. So basically I should have got to the $100 mark by 4th of July, and now it is 19th of July and I have not made even $50 yet. So that is what this video was basically about. Just comment below your thoughts. What do you think about affiliate marketing and Shopify? And if you guys have some suggestions for me, please let me know. It would be a great appreciation. And also follow me on YouTube, or follow me on this Instagram, and like my page on Facebook, so that we can get in touch. And that was about it. So I'll end the video right now, and let's see where my journey goes.